Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, I'm so excited because we have a collaboration called Can't Sleep Creations, and that's being hosted by Indiana Jones. Okay, so we have two other people hosting with her, and one is Up All Night DIY and Shabby with Bling. I believe I got that right. I hope I did. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to go ahead and link everyone's channel down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to the playlist, guys, because you won't be disappointed. So all of the items that I'm using to create these crafts are mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I did find these beautiful napkins at my local grocery store. And what we're going to be doing is decoupaging those Easter eggs, those foam ones. And these didn't come in color, and I'm like really happy about that. So we're going to decoupage these for the basket. And then I thought I'd decorate a bunny and an Easter egg. So this is going to come out really cute, guys. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you in and out of the video. Now I did decide to go with buffalo check ribbon in order to embellish both these pieces. And I'm using a white rosette that I got from BB Crafts. And so we're almost ready. I'm putting some hanging ribbon on this, guys, in case I want to hang it, but you don't have to. You can use this even in a tier tray. So we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. So I think these pieces came out really precious. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now here I decided to place the Easter eggs and all of the pieces that I made right here on this tray, this vignette tray, and I also decided to place that bless sign. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.